Okay, this is just a random inlet of the sea between Hofstad and Osen. I come from Osen, which is that way. Let's take a look at this then. Absolutely beautiful. So that's my bike. And nothing coming on the road either. God knows what the temperature is. It must be 25, maybe approaching 30 maybe. And you wouldn't think it's 5:10 at night. It's been hot weather all day. The road's been like this, good twisty turnies and not many cars. This I've been to Sahara, I tell you. Okay, this is on the coast road between Neset and Nuste, on the 660 on the coast road. Well, inlet of coast anyway. So peaceful and still. Look how blue the water is. It's ridiculous. And that's where we're heading towards. These roads are amazing. I love them. Tell you what, just have a look. There's nothing coming. Look at that for smooth.
This is a place called Trollstigen. It's one of the most visited places in Norway and one of the best tourist attractions to see. As you can see, it's got a lot of twisty roads coming up, well looked after and very well tarmacked, smooth, so it's a pleasure to ride on. 5-minute walk from the car park where you park up, there's an overhang ledge, as you can see, where this video is filmed from. Here you look down into the valley and see all the waterfalls in a spectacular glory. point.